And here I have an electronic digital caliper, carbon fiber, but this thing is awesome. Carbon fiber composite digital caliper. This thing is great for testing out and measuring anything. So you can see, just as I started to slide it, it came on all by itself. Or you can turn it off, turn it on. But if it is off, you can just open it and it will start measuring right away. So let's measure some things. You've got stuff as fine as a washer, 0.08 inches, or you can switch to millimeters, and we are looking at 2.1 millimeters. Let's go to something like a coaster. Coaster, 9.7 millimeters. You can switch right over to 0.39 inches. Or if you wanted to get the width of this coaster, 3.92, which is, yeah, I mean, it's about a 4-inch coaster, 99.8. Can measure anything like PVC. This is 1.3 inches on the outside. Go. We can take even down to like a pencil. Pencil measures 0.26 inches. Switch that to millimeters. 6.9, 6. Let's see. Get this right here in the middle here. 6.9 millimeters. Okay. I have a laser engraver, so I want to know the diameter of cups sometimes. So here we go. 72 millimeters. 2.83 inches, okay, or even a 2x4. Get that right there, 3.5 inches, and the thickness, 1.5 inches. So very awesome caliper that is very easy to use. Electronic digital caliper, very easy to use. And if it does get messed up like this and you push it back, it's got negative. You can hit 0 and recalibrate it back to 0, and you are ready to go. But this is a great caliper. Can highly recommend this if you're going to be measuring or doing anything like I do. But highly recommend. Go grab one of these.